Hello guys, I am Abdul Patel and I have done with my 7th task, which is stock market prediction using numerical and textual analysis in the function of data science and business analytics. Let's start. Here I import Y Finance as YF. Uh, After that I download two dataset, which is BSc data and unseen BSc data. After that BSc data dot columns, unseen BSc data dot columns. Here I rename the BSc data columns. After that I rename the unseen BSc data dot columns data. After that BSc data dot info, unseen BSc data dot info. After that I calculate actual price. Here is the actual price, which is 49,016.62. After that rolling window analysis of time series. Here is a data set of stock week moving average. Here I plot for stock week moving average for 4 weeks. Here is a plot of moving average versus date. Here is a plot of partial autocorrelation, in which first two leg indicates the positive correlation and remaining all legs indicates a negative correlation. After that stock week moving average for 16 weeks. Here is a graph for 16 weeks. After that this plot is moving average versus date. Lateral partial autocorrelation, in which first two leg indicates positive correlation and all remaining leg indicates the negative correlation. After that stock week moving average for 52 weeks. Here is the plot for 52 weeks. After that this plot is moving average versus date. After that partial autocorrelation plot. Here also same, first two leg indicates the positive correlation and remaining all legs indicates the negative. After that creating rolling window of size 10 and 50 of the BSc index. First of all I create rolling window of size 10. Here is a dataset for rolling window. Here is a plot for rolling window. Here is a plot of close versus date. After that here is a data set of rolling window for size 50. After that here is a graph for rolling window for size 50. Here is a plot of close versus date. After that creating dummy time series. After that creating the reverse dummy time series. After the time series for pricing shock without volume shock. After that textual analysis of news from Time of India news headlines. Here is I import the dataset of Indian news headlines. Here is news.columns, news.shape, news.here, news.info. Here I find out the unique value in headline category column. Here is the value count in headline category. To find out any null value in news, I use news.isNull. After that, to find out in duplicate in news dataset, I use news.duplicated. Here I drop duplicates. From text blob, I import text blob. After that, I can calculate the sentiment using text blob. Based on the polarity, we determine whether it is positive text or negative or neutral. Here is a dataset with polarity and subjectivity. Newsdev.isNull.sum to find out any null values in dataset. After that, bsc.data.shape, bsc data dot duplicated to find out any duplicate value in bsc data. Here is our bsc data.head, bsc data.shape. After the preparation of dataset for machine learning, here is the preparation of dataset for machine learning. Here I add 12 weeks to 4 weeks. After that, here also 12 weeks to 16 weeks. Here I add 12 weeks to 28 weeks, and after that I add 12 weeks to 40 weeks. Here is the bsc data.columns, bsc data.head. After that, separating the predicted date row from main dataset after getting all the calculated average values. After that, here I train the model. Here are the mean absolute error, mean squared error, and root mean square error. Conclusion of our analysis is the model predicted for 30th April 2021 the price, that is the average of high low close of BSE index, to be 35,032.67 and closing price to be 34,994.59, and the actual price, that is the average of high low close of BSE index on day 13th April 2021 was 49,016.62 and closing price was 48,782.36. That's it. Thank you guys.